is Success Level Ventures, and we have a financial literacy 101 program for junior high school and high school students. With the Build Back Better America plan that the president has already initiated, I want to help build back better classrooms and schools. I can remember growing up in Far Rockaway and Hamilton Projects, my mother struggling just to keep food on the table. We never attended any after-school programs, we never attended any extracurricular activities, and we learned nothing about money. So my company, Success Level Ventures, has a 6-part program for children to teach them the cash flow quadrant, what is money, what is credit, taxes, cryptocurrency, and how to gain confidence around money, and gain the skills to build a business, to building wealth for our community. Children will gain confidence, they will gain independence, and children will be more motivated to come to school and pay attention. Financial Literacy 101 is the gateway to fight against lack of resources, and help build independence in our children. My ask is $25,000 to help aid, guide, and direct children in the junior high schools and high schools. Florida has already initiated this program into law. New York needs to get ahead of the game and implement Financial Literacy 101 into New York City schools. Thank you.
Right? You definitely have something there. You definitely have, I love the fact that you've incorporated your story. I see the passion, I feel it, I felt it, I wanted to sign up, right? And but don't you think the ask is too low if you want to do it for the entire city?
$25,000 per school.
Oh, okay, first.
Got to say that.
Okay. First. So, but what you want to do is become an MTAC, right? So I would partner with someone that has that, and then go under them, and then do it that way. Okay. Okay. And so, Vala, what you?
Thank you.
I think you have, a great model in place, especially like with today's age, like drawing in social media, meeting them where they're at. So like that's one thing, but I definitely think that where you really could fit in is charging that lobbying work on getting it here, making sure that you are the voice to bring the policy here, but then you're gonna automatically get the contract because you're sitting there mobilizing the whole situation. So that's where I see you positioning yourself. Like if you care about that, make sure you sit down and do your advocacy work and sit down with the New York State Assembly and lobby.
Thank you. Thank you.